Alright, I am adventuring in interesting hilly side over the forest and interesting grove. Some people are screaming down there. See, this used to be ant world, but maybe a bear or something else. I hope destroyed it. It's an interesting area around with some hills. I'm gonna go through this hill to check what's on the other side. I hope not gonna see bear. Boo! Get rather bears. So I don't think so, because we're very near the road, and also we hear other people screaming. Maybe check this mountain grove. I knew I'm gonna find something, and potentially other mountain grove nearby with another rock formation, small one. Let's see this one now. Good. It's like a small room. Oh, again an ant world. A nice driftwood. Right. Let's see on the edge, folks. Yeah. This is our fortress. There will hardly take us over. Right? Only from the back. Only from the back we have to be protected. So we always imagine, me and Stasi, that we when we are on such mountain groves, that we are on some small castle or small fortress, small ancient fortress. That one will be interesting. I'm gonna go now there. Alright. It's lovely around with these beech trees, pine trees, and also fallen trees. Check that grove from a side. It's a cool one. Here is the passage through. Let's see now, next adventure, next mountain, small grove. Wow, that's a cool one. Definitely I am going to go through the right, because I think because I think this is the right pathway. Yeah, there is something like a pathway, like a entering passageway to the fortress, and this must be the entrance to this small fortress. Now we're gonna examine quite a steep one. Let's see now. Good. A bit tired and a bit thirsty. I didn't take my water. Oh, nice. Another small ant world. Wow. Now we have to go here. Wow. Wow. I like it. Nice grove here also, folks. Forest one. Inside the forest, and nice one for outside. Right. Whew. Catch yourself and see where we came. Now down there, see a little bit my shadow. Check here. Cool. Alright, so I think I'm going to go down a little bit.